Ever felt a knee pop and wondered if it's normal? Here are some possible reasons and how to tell if it's an issue. Knee popping can be caused by releasing joint gas within the synovial fluid, sometimes forming bubbles when the knee moves. This is normal and doesn't indicate an injury. Additionally, tendon or ligament movement can cause a popping sound without causing pain or injury. However, if the sound is persistent, accompanied by pain, swelling, or instability, it could be due to a meniscus injury, cartilage wear, or ligament problem. Consult a specialist for a detailed evaluation. If you know someone who always complains of knee cracking, share this video to help them understand when it's normal and when they need to see a doctor.